Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video, we're going to install a retractable cord reel from Dewenwils. They sent this one out to me to put in my new section of my garage. I mentioned it in a live a few weeks ago that I was debating on whether I wanted to put it on the wall over here or up there on the ceiling. I'm actually going to put it over here and mount it pretty close to my garage door opener. That way I can use that same receptacle because that is a 15 amp circuit. This is a 14 gauge cord reel. The one that they sent me out, the part number is HCR A50. As far as the specifications on it, you can see here it is a 125 volt, 60 hertz, 13 amp, and then it is a 14 AWG SJTOW. I'll put up here a description of what that cord means. And again, this one is a 50-foot length, and then it has a lead-in cord of 4.5 feet right here as well. As far as what you get in the box, you're obviously going to get the cord reel itself. Again, there is that 4.5-foot lead-in cord. They're going to give you anchors for wood, and then also anchors for concrete in there as well. So whatever mounting option you're going to, whether it's a block wall, whatever it is, you're going to be covered. It does have the 3 receptacles on the end, and these do light up. You'll see that as I get it installed. You do have the adjustable stop up here, which is going to be nice with me mounted it on the ceiling. I'll be able to adjust that cord so I can grab it without a ladder. It does have a 180-degree swivel. Now you'll see here it actually has spots for you to mount it as far as just using the bracket as is. Those are hard to get to. I've installed some that way. You end up having to go in there with a ratchet wrench and, you know, put a lag in or whatever it is. But they give you this bracket that you actually install. It slides onto there. You put a little stop screw in here, and then that's an easier way to install it. You basically install this, slide that in. Again, I'm going to show you that here in just a minute. But not a ton of components. They have other options of different gauges, different lengths, all different prices. I'll put a link in the description of this one. I think they're going to give you a discount code as well, so you might want to go check that out. But I'll go over all the features again once we get this thing installed. I'll show you all the options of it, show you how it works, and then you can decide if it's a good fit for you. But we're just going to go ahead and place it onto the board. I'm going to put one screw in, and then we're going to go back and kind of make sure that I'm the same distance everywhere as far as left and right, just so that it looks good. I can probably come over here and just eyeball it for the most part. That right there looks pretty good. We'll go with here. Probably also wouldn't be a bad idea to throw you a washer on here. I might go back and do that later, but they don't provide you with one, so I'm going to assume they planned on the heads of these being enough. And I am going to kind of alternate the corners just so that hopefully it doesn't get the same kind of stress point. So there's all 4 of those screws in. Again, couldn't be easier. Now you're going to take the reel and just slide it in. I barely gave myself enough room here, so that's something to take in consideration. But again, just imagine having to hold this up, put those screws in, how much easier that is. And then once you get it up in there, you have this little set screw that you now install here that acts kind of as a stop. That's going to not allow it to slide back in and out. I'll do cord management later. I'm just going to reach around here, plug that into the receptacle. You can see here I do have a light to indicate that I have power. And just like any other electric cord reel, you can pull this down, listen for the clicks. 2 clicks, let go. It stays at that position. If I want to kind of retract it back in, I'm just going to pull it. You can kind of hear it release. Suck it back in. It does have an adjustable stop. Here you just do these 2 screws, loosen those up, slide this on wherever it is that you want the cord. So I just need to get down on the ground and make sure that that is above my head, but I can still reach it and pull it down. Again, lock that into place, pull it, and let it retract back up. Really easy install. Probably only took me 5 minutes because of that mounting plate option. That is a very nice feature. If you're doing the situation that I'm doing, it makes it so you don't have to hold all the weight of that reel while you're tightening it down. But again, you do have to take in consideration if you're going on a stud wall, those holes are not down the center of that bracket. You might have to install it like the original way, but they do have holes provided in the bracket that is attached to the reel if that's something that you need to do. But I'm super glad to have it because I'm no longer going to have to deal with this extension cord drug out all over my floor in my only receptacle that I currently have out here. But it has tons of nice features. Again, the fact that you've got 3 plugs right there. You do have the light option to let you know that you have power. It is very smooth as far as the operation of locking, unlocking, pulling in and out, and then it does have that swivel feature to allow you to kind of pull on it in any direction and it not get hung up. But that is the Dewenwils retractable cord reel. SKU number is HCR-A50F. Again, mine is yellow, 14 gauge, 3 prong, 50 foot. They've got tons of other colors, different lengths, different gauge cords. Whatever it is you're looking for, they probably have it, so you might want to go check it out. Again, I'll put a link in the description for this one, along with any kind of discount code if they provide me one. So you may want to go check that out before you go purchase. It might save you a little bit of money. I want to thank them for sending this one out to me, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. Also, maybe you've had one of these for quite some time of this particular brand. Give us your feedback in the comments below so others can read that as well. As always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.